Hello dear students, now this is the next informal communication. Today we will learn about the informal communication. We have already learned the formal communication or official communication, and this is the informal communication, means unofficial communication. Unofficial communication means here there is no restriction, no obligations to send the information to one or two or by proper channel from top to bottom or bottom to top, but in this way all these are included in the informal communication. This is the single strain chain. First one is single strain chain communication, gossip or rumor chain communication. Third one is probability chain communication. Fourth one is cluster chain communication. And one by one now I am going to explain what is the different four types of informal communication. This is the important chapter in your communication. Then first one is single strain communication, means single strain means if a person is there, if one person is there and he is doing the he is doing the communication with each other, then in single strain communication, A is one person, A will get the information to B will get the information to C will get the information to D, or in this way also he will communicate, means A will give the information to B will give the information to C will give the information to D. In this way E, F, G, H. Okay, this is a single strain communication is done in this way or in this way. One will give two will give three will give the information to the four. This is called single strain communication. Second one is gossip or rumor chain communication. Gossip means gossiping. If one person is gossiping with other person, the other person will gossiping with second, third person. In this way, gossiping will be this is the diagram of gossip or rumor chain communication. This one is means if a person is there, then he will gossip with 2, he will gossip with 4, he will gossip with 7, he will gossip with 6. And 6, whatever the information of gossiping is there, means if A will give the if A is gossip with 7 or 7 is gossip with 8 is gossip with A is gossip with 2 is gossip with 3 is gossip with 4. In this way, the gossiping process will be follow up, and this is called the gossip or rumor. Rumor means if any information is there, it will be if A information will give the information to the 7, so it might be some change in the rumor in the information. So this is called gossip or rumor chain information or communication. Third one is probability chain communication. Probability, suppose probability means अगर A किसी को इंफॉर्मेशन देना चाहेगा तो वो दे सकता है, अदरवाइज अगर वो B को देगा तो B अगर वो C को देता है तो देने दो, नहीं तो वो E को भी दे सकता है, F को भी दे सकता है, उसकी मर्जी है. प्रोबेबिलिटी माने संभावना से अगर एक ने किसी को इंफॉर्मेशन दी तो वो दूसरे को इंफॉर्मेशन देगा या न देगा, इसकी कोई संभावना नहीं है, यह संभावना है. This is the probability chain, and this is the diagram related to the probability chain. That is, if A is a person, A will give the information to the B, but there is no surety about the B that he will give the information to the C. He might give the information to the D or he might give the information to the E, but there is no surety. Means if B is will is there, B अगर चाहेगा कि मैं इंफॉर्मेशन दूंगा तो वो देगा, नहीं चाहेगा तो कोई संभावना भी नहीं है या प्रोबेबिलिटी नहीं है कि वो किसी को इंफॉर्मेशन दे सकता है. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी चेन कम्युनिकेशन. देन क्लस्टर चेन कम्युनिकेशन. क्लस्टर चेन कम्युनिकेशन इज वन ऑफ दैट मीन्स हियर दिस इज द डायग्राम ऑफ क्लस्टर चेन कम्युनिकेशन. मीन्स सपोज cluster chain communication is also called grapevine communication. Grape you know, अंगूर. grapevine communication. ग्रेपवाइन कम्युनिकेशन मीन्स अंगूर के जैसे, जैसे एक अंगूर का गुच्छा होता है तो उसका कनेक्शन पहले वाला अंगूर होता है वो दूसरे के साथ भी कनेक्ट हो सकता है और वो पांचवें के साथ भी कनेक्ट हो सकता है या फिर वो 10वें के साथ भी कनेक्ट हो सकता है। इसमें कोई उसका कोई ऑब्लिगेशन नहीं कि ए को खाली बी के साथ कनेक्ट होना है, ऐसा नहीं है। ठीक उसी तरह इफ ए इज द पर्सन, ए माइट गिव द इंफॉर्मेशन टू द के, K might give the information to the G, G might give the information to the E, or E might give the information to the S, or S might give the information to the R. Means that is the grapevine communication of cluster. Cluster यानी एक दूसरे से सब जुड़े हुए हैं, एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं। जैसे अंगूर का गुच्छा एक दूसरे से जुड़ा हुआ रहता है, उसी तरह से क्लस्टर चेन के जैसे ये गुच्छा पूरा ग्रेपवाइन कम्युनिकेशन का जुड़ा हुआ रहता है। तो ये इस तरह से सारे जो हैं कम्युनिकेशन वो इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन, इसमें कोई ऑब्लिगेशन या रूल नहीं है कि ए बी को ही बताएगा या बी सी को बताएगा या सिस्टमेटिक जेड से लेकर ऊपर एक्स वाई जेड से लेकर ए बी सी डी तक कंटिन्यू में जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ इसमें ऑब्लिगेशन नहीं रहता है। देयर इज नो ऑब्लिगेशन अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स, so that is the informal communication, and I will send you the notes also and PDF also. You will write tomorrow. I will check your copies. Please send it. Okay.